Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make some deer jerky. You can use deer, moose. Today I'm using some mule deer that I shot a couple weeks ago. And so it's real simple, and especially if you're using, like what I like to use is the backwoods jerky seasoning. You can buy it in hickory or the original or spicy, however you like. You can buy them that they can do enough for 10 pounds, 15 pounds, even 5 pounds. I'm doing 25 pounds today. So what I've done is I've already mixed it, and it's got the cure already with it too, so you can mix the cure at the same time. So I've mixed it in with my meat. I've ground my meat, then I mix in the cure and the seasoning, and then I let it stay for about, they say 8 to 12 hours, but I just put it in a cold room or in my fridge and let it sit for a good day overnight, and then the next morning I'll do it like I'm doing now. And of course it's not 25 pounds, I've got more meat there, but I'm just to show you guys. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you how it all happens. It's real simple. So today I'm using the all-around jerky maker. I got it off of Amazon. So it comes with all the different adapters that you have. So whatever machine that you've got, it will adapt. It will adapt to it. So very simple to use. And so let's get started and let's start making some jerky. So I've already ground the meat, and I've put it, I've mixed it up, let it stay overnight for about 24 hours. They say between 8 and 12 hours, but I let it stay overnight, so I give it maybe 20 hours or so. Okay, so we're about to start. So we've got the parchment paper underneath, a little roll. So as the meat comes out from the grinder, it pushes the parchment and it sits onto the parchment, and it's gonna go all the way down. And we're gonna make them about 12-inch long, and then we'll cut them once they're baked. So here we go. Okay, so now we're at that point. So what we're going to do next is we're going to cut the strip. Now you just use a nice sharp knife. So you cut it with the whole parchment paper with it, okay? So there it is there. And now you have your baking pan. So you're going to set them on your baking pan, like that. And what I do is I'll fill up the whole baking pan, and then once I have 3 or 4 done, then I'll put them in the oven and let them sit for about a good hour and a half, and then I'll flip them. I'll take them, I'll flip them over and let them stay for another hour and a half. Is ready to go. And so what I'm going to do is I've got the oven at 200. So we're going to put them in there for 1 hour and a half. Let them bake nice and slowly. And then after the hour and a half, then I'm going to take them and I'm going to flip them over, and then I'm going to do another hour and a half. So 3 hours total. Okay, so we have had them now for an hour and 15 minutes on the one side. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to flip them over, each one. Remember, this is what we're using, backwoods jerky seasoning. I'm using the hickory today. You can use it for 10, 15 pounds, 5 pounds. We're going to go with the 25 pounds. Remember to please, if you enjoy this video and you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button and subscribe and hit that little bell so anytime we have new videos come out, you know that we're there for you. And there you have it, guys. Very simple to do. Beautiful beef jerky, well, deer jerky. Very easy to do. Like I said, from start to finish, you're looking at 3 hours. And what I do now, once they're all done, I'll take them, I'll either cut them in little pieces as I want, or I'll cut them in half and I make strips, and then I vacuum pack them and away I go. Again, if you like that video, please hit the like button and please subscribe, and we hope to see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy.